All right. You ready to do the first one?
Well, the more the time, right? Oh, my phone. I'm gonna put this in.
Okay.
Look at this.
Ooh. That looks delicious.
That's the real.
Thank you, chef.
That's the real chef.
Oh yeah, obviously.
Yeah. Chef Wayne is always ready. Need some grilling.
Want to do the honors of the first firework of the night?
You do.
No, I want you to. Get in there.
Uh-oh. I mean, you can get rid of those in my hands.
See.
Okay, this is called Santa's butthole.
Oh, great.
I'm not sure what might happen here.
Oh, I don't know. Sausage.
Hey, it worked.
Yay.
Sausage, it worked. Sausage. Oh, sausage. Oh. Flipping buns.
Ooh.
I think they're pretty much there.
Yummy.
This one is it setting on fire. Hey. Sausage. Oh, there's no room. Over there.
Just stack it up. It'll be fine.
Yeah. Hey.
To-
Anthony Warrell Thompson. Use all the ingredients.
You ready for your first shot of the night?
There's still cheese fantastic. Yeah, I'm ready.
Alright, good, because it's ready for you. Hurry up. Hurry up.
Gotta get it up. Cooking. I'm cooking.
You're wasting my phone space.
Cooking. Cooking.
Come on.
I'm cooking. You got it. Cooking. We good.
Good. About time.
We good.
Wasting my battery.
Excuse me, I did this cooking.
I'll stop doing the cooking and drink your shot.
Appreciate
Come
it
on.
once in a while. Slime my stomach.
Mm-hmm. Good job.
Who needs chasers?
Uh-huh.
I'm just gonna have a drink that's very unrelated.
Mm-hmm.
Sunny beverage. Oh, the tables have turned. Oh, the tables have turned. Actually, taste the alcohol.
No.
Taste the shot. It's a pretty funny angle. You have like fireworks in the background. America, it's the greatest country of them all. America.
Alright, I'm hungry.
Given to you by Great Britain. Sausage. Is it gonna stop? Ah, anticlimax.
You're the ones we picked out for tonight?
Home Alone, right? I've never seen these before.
There's just a few
So
fish in
American.
there.
I don't know what this one does, but I guess we just.
Oh.
Oh shit!
Not bad for a cheap little one, huh?
So I didn't know what it was gonna do.
Me either.
This is a true hero stage.
Do another, do another.
This one is called Sonic Boom. I don't know what it does, but
We'll find out.
Sonic Boom. Maybe I'll throw this one.
Why there, of all places?
I didn't do that. That's just setting a fire.
Yeah.
Nasty.
Okay, what you got?
Firecrackers.
Yeah, maybe toss them over there this time.
Yeah.
Ow, that was really loud. Oh, my ear. Oh my god. Are you okay? You still got all your fingers?
Yeah, just singed it here.
Ow.
Here we go. Electronic bomb.
Nah, it's just a little one.
Very American. Yeah. Back for more? Okay, it ended. Boom.
Fire. Ooh, that's hot. That's hot fire.
Can see something.
Mm-hmm.
Meat from the bone.
1 second. Marshmallows.
Meat from the bone.
Oh, okay, fine. Yes, meat.
Meat from the bone. Tillage.
What? What happened? What happened?
She ate too many marshmallows.
Really? What? Oh my god. Wow. Wow.
Mortar. It's in Chinese.
Yeah, let me see
Chinese
if you
is
can
the
see
wide
it.
one, right?
Man, I don't even know.
8 shots. Time rain.
Over here.
Said Mr. Bean. Boom.
Hang on 1 second. Alright,
Ready?
get on with it.
Too late now.
Oh god.
M100 explosive salute.
Alright.
Can't be that bad, can it?
I don't think so. I guess we'll
Alright.
soon find out.
Let's just drop it right there then.
No.
Hey, distance!
Sorry. Oh, ow. Ear. The end. Alright, gonna do a whole pack of these things. Try to get in there. Try and get them all at once.
Well, that's pretty tricky.
I'll just do your best.
I haven't made it. No. Premium.
Oh god. That's alright. Okay, dip it this time, don't.
No, I don't want to dip it because then it might blow in my hand.
Okay, but don't. You're wasting it all though.
Okay.
Alright. God. It's not doing anything.
There's sausage.
Hopefully not near the barbecue.
Yeah, this is a letdown. You have to throw a rocket in there. Yeah, throw a rocket on the grill.
No! It's a terrible idea.
Really cool, that's
Jesus. Alright. Well, that didn't work.
the last one of the holiday.
Yep, one more of these.
It's pretty quiet now. Yeah, it's good. That's so blurry. I was looking to see what fell.